Hi everyone, and today templates are very interesting. We are discussing household monthly budget, and the first step to use this template is to enter your data about monthly expenses. There are many descriptions here. You just select the description such as school tuitions, concerts, live theater, movies, and other expenses. And here is the category of this description: about entertainment, about food, gifted, charity, house, insurance, loans, personal care, children, pets, saving, taxes, and etc. So you should enter two values. The first value is projected cost, and the second value is actual cost, and automatically the difference between the actual cost and the projected cost will be calculated. And there are indication chart about actual cost overview. Okay, if you have additional data, you will use this sheet to enter your additional data about these expenses. So after you entering your data, you will find budget summary, and here you have many filters about this budget: children, entertainment, food, loans, taxes, saving, insurance, housing, pets, gifts and charities, personal care, transportation, and so on. And you can remove the filter of all these data to show all your budget data. Also, if you want to select more than one filter, just click Control, and you can select, for example, entertainment and insurance and taxes and loans and food, whatever you want to select, so you can show your personal and monthly expenses based on selected filters. Also, you have here budget overview, and the budget overview can be summarized, and the budget overview can be summarized in only three key calculations, such as projected balance and actual balance and difference. And here is projected balance, and here is actual balance, and here is the difference between them. Also, you will find you can enter your income, your extra income, to compare your expenses with your income and know the difference between them. Also, you will find an awesome chart about your actual expenses breakdown, about housing, transportation, food, and so on. This is a great template about household monthly budget. I hope this template is useful for you, and thank you, and see you in the next lecture. Goodbye.